Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make hush puppies. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 green onion, 1 egg, a cup of cornmeal, a cup of flour, a cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper. We'll start by finely chopping our green onion. Next, we'll whisk together our cup of cornmeal, cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of salt, and quarter teaspoon of pepper in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, we'll beat together our egg, cup of buttermilk, tablespoon of minced garlic, and chopped green onion until well combined, and stir these into our dry ingredients until just mixed. We'll set this mixture aside while we preheat our fryer. While our batter is resting, we'll preheat our oil to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Once our oil's heated, we'll work in batches and spoon about 2 tablespoons of our batter into our oil and fry our hush puppies for about 3 minutes, flipping about halfway through, and transfer them to a paper towel lined pan to drain. We'll serve these warm. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.